Good day everyone. Our topic for today is Introduction to Public Administration. And our objectives is to determine the foundation of public administration. Next is to understand the context of public administration. And last is to be able to distinguish the function of public administration. So, in order for us to deeply understand the field of public administration, it is essential to review and evaluate how this concept was developed through history, as there were several scholars contributed to establishing the public administration that we have in this contemporary time. So, ang establishment sa public administration, nagikan siya sa mga klase-klase nga mga academic scholar based from the different grounds. So, need na to i-dig deep kung kinsa sila ha ug unsa ang major contribution nila sa public administration. So, first is, what is public administration? So, according to Campo, this is the set of instruments with which the state executes its role. So, meaning, this is a study kung unsaon sa government paghatag ang governance para sa mga tao. So, atong first scholar is si Woodrow Wilson. So, siya ang gina-consider na father of public administration, na popular siya sa iyang politics administration dichotomy, kung asa gi-classify niya ang purpose and function sa duha. So, according sa iya, public administration as a detailed and systematic execution of public law. He divided government institution into two separate sectors, the administration and the politics. So, para sa iya, ang public administration is a systematic pasabot na ay certain organization. So, that is why iyang politics administration dichotomy gina-define ang kanya-kanya nilang definitions. So, politics is engaged with policies and its processes, while ang administration is its execution. So, ang atuang next nga scholar is si Max Weber. So, ang iyaha is about the theory of bureaucracy. So, according sa iyaha, bureaucracy originated in the Germany through the efforts made by the German sociologist Max Weber. So, bureau means the office, and the cracy means the power or authority. So, bureaucracy is the role of office or authority of the office has been known to as a hierarchical organizational structure. So, para kay Weber, kay ang public administration, inclusion siya o bureaucracy or office, nga naay mga authority kung asa na ay hierarchical nga structure. Iyang gina-emphasize na ang bureaucracy is the public administration, kung asa na ay lines of authority, rules and procedures, while na ay receivers ani nga mga actions. Ani daw nga sa ingani daw mag-function ang government, and ang mga tao or public ang naga-receive. So next is the dimensions of public administration. So first dimension is the political. So, sa political is, maong tawag siya nga political is first is public administration is what government does. So, next is the public administration is implementing the public trust. And last is public administration is doing things collectively. So, next is legal. So, legal siya kay public administration is law in action. Then next is the public administration is regulation. So third is occupational. So matawag siya occupational kay public administration is an occupational category. Then public administration is idealism in action. And last is public administration is a academic field. Then last is the managerial. So, public administration is managerial because public administration is a management specialty. Public administration is red tape. And last is public administration is art and science. So, next is the nature and scope of public administration. So, public administration is a feature of all nations. whether their system of government with nation's public administration is practiced at the central, intermediate, and local levels. So meaning, tanan nasod or countries na ay public administration. Nagadefer lang siya sa ilang functions or ways kung ginaunsa nila pagpalakad ang ilahang government. So naay mga fields and subfields ang public administration. So first is local and regional governance and administration. So it refers to the institution around local government. So meaning is mauni ang mga decentralization. Gina-transfer ang power and authority to the local governments para sa ilahang local development. So next is the fiscal administration. So ang fiscal administration is ang government is engaged in momentary operation, maong nay fiscal admin para ma-determine sa government kung asa deserving ang kwarta sa tao mapadulong. So third is the public policy analysis and program administration. So mao ni ang gobyerno nga. So ang gobyerno naana sila daha to be of service sa mga tao. So kanina field mag-identify ug unsay angay himuon sa gobyerno para sa mga tao. Then ang number 4 is organizational and personal management. So meaning mao ni ang creating a place for people to grow and foster peaceful na lugar, improving and adaptive. So next is the subfields. So subfields is public enterprise management. So the term public enterprise denotes a form of human activity operated and managed by the states. So next is the voluntary sector management. So the role of the voluntary sector is the delivery of public goods has become one special concern to public administration. So next is the spatial information management. So it refers to the integration of technologies in the effective and efficient delivery of public services. So public administration as a field of study. So according to Reyes and Brillantes et al., public administration as a discipline came from the trust and field of political science. So it is considered as child of political science that is mature enough to be treated separately and independently of its mother. So ang public administration kay multidimensional. So public administration as a field of study, so there is a need to understand public administration maong in the field of study kay gina-learn through knowledge and understanding. So next is public administration as an art and a science. It can be said that public administration is an art of government in terms of the conduct and management of public affairs, in terms of dealing with bureaucratic inefficiency and red tapes, in terms of implementation of public policies and programs, and the use of resources for public good. So, ang public administration is maong kanang ang course na to karon is gitawag siya nga Bachelor of Public Administration kay both siya art og science. So dili siya pwede matong wala siya gitawag og Bachelor of Science or Bachelor of Arts in Public Administration kay ang public administration both siya art and science. So ang sa art in government kay para mag-manage sa mga public affairs, and science kay government is naturally systematic. So last is public administration as a discipline and practice. So public administration as a discipline and practice is a continuing search for relevance, meaning, and strategy in effective management of public resources. PA or public administration as a discipline is often confronted with issue as to how theories in principle can be applied in real politic administrative settings in the same or equal manners as they are contemplated and propounded. So, Public administration is a discipline and practice since ang public administration is strategizing, theorizing with principles while implementing or executing it. So, in conclusion, public administration as a practice tries to bring forward the organizational goal through workable and competent means. The classical ethos of public administration like efficiency, economy, and effectiveness should blend in the modern public administration values like accountability, transparency, predictability, and participation in achieving a considerable level of success in the governance and administration of public institution. So, karon naatay 5 ka question. So, atong first question is, what is the main difference between politics and administration? Then, number 2 is, what are the 4 dimensions of public administration? Number 3 is, name the 3 subfields of public administration. Number 4 is, what is the main goal of public administration as a practice? Then, last is public administration considered art, science, or both?